Today I'm going to show you how to control your Android TV from Home Assistant using something like this from your dashboard. And if you're ready, let's go! First, be sure that your device is already turned on and connected to your network. Then go to Settings, Devices and Services, and here you should find the Android TV remote integration. Just click on Configure, and here click on Submit. Now, copy the code that just appeared in your Android TV, and then click Submit. And finish. Now, to use it in our dashboard, we are going to use a custom card. For this, just go to my website, and here look for Android TV card, and under the picture, click on Hacks Repository. Just click on it, then click Open Link, and click Add. Now, click on Download, and Download. And then click Reload. Now, go to your dashboard, and here we're going to click on the three dots and Edit Dashboard. Now, click on Add a Card. Here we're going to look for Manual. Click on it, and here we're going to paste a configuration example. You can use the one on my website, or you can use one from the documentation of the card. Here we have multiple examples to use. First, let's start with the example that I put on my website. Just copy it and paste it in your configuration. Here, just change the name of the remote to your Android TV, and you can test it. I'm going to click Home, and you can see that it is already working with my Android TV. Now, let's test it from our phone. Click on Save. Now, open the Home Assistant app on your phone, and you can try it. Now, you can control your Android TV from your phone. You can open any app you want, and control pretty much anything with the Android TV card. The beauty of this card is that you can configure it however you want. And now I'm going to show you how to customize it. For this, just click on Edit Dashboard, click on Edit. The configuration starts below the remote ID. My first route is the power route. Here I put the power button, then I put 2 spaces, and then I use a custom key. I have my Plex server on a beefier PC, and I set an automation to turn it off if no one is using it for 10 minutes. So I'm using a custom key here to be able to turn it on if I need it. For this, at the end, you just have to add the custom key, then just give it a name that you want to use, and then using the service tag, you can call any service from Home Assistant that you want. In this case, I am using Switch Turn On, and I'm selecting Switch Server. This allows me to turn on my server directly from the card. The next route is my app route. Here I have the apps that I use the most. The first and the second one were easy, because they are already configured in the card itself. So in this case, you just need to put the name, and if you click it, it will open it in your Android TV. But I wasn't so lucky with Steam Link. So for this, I am using a custom source. For this, you just need to add the custom source, and here just give it a name, choose the icon, and then to find the source for your app, you can use this article in the Home Assistant forum. Here you can find information on how to get this for any app you want. But he's also creating a list for the most common apps, so you can just look here, find your app, for example, the Google Play Store, copy the link, and paste it in your source. And now, if you click it, you'll see that it opens in your Android TV. Remember that for this to work, you need to have the app already installed in your Android TV. Now, in my case, Steam Link doesn't work quite well. If you click it, it will open the app, but it will show a retransmission error. But if you click OK, it will open the app anyway. So I can say that it works, but it's not perfect. Hopefully you will have more luck than me and the app you want will work straight away. Now, the next route is the volume route. I prefer to use buttons here because they allow me to be more precise. But you can also use a slider here. For this, we need the slider card. Just go to my website, look for slider card, and here just click on Hacks Repository. Click on Open Link, and then click on Add. Now just click on Download, and download. After it's finished, just click Reload. If this happens to you, just click on Add. And now go back to your card, and here in Volume Road, just put the slider. And for this to work, you need to add the Android TV Media Player. For this, just add Media Player ID. Don't worry, you can find it in the same integration. Just update it here, and that's it. You can now control the volume with the slider. The next row is the navigation row. Here I like to use the touchpad, but you can also use buttons here. I'm going to leave it with the touchpad. And the next row, right now for me the buttons return and source are not working, but I will open an issue with the developer, and if it's a problem with the card, it will probably already be fixed by the time that you're watching this video. The next row is my media control row. Here I use the rewind, play, pause and fast forward. But if you don't use the rewind and fast forward keys, you can just erase them, and that's it. The card organizes the buttons placement automatically. Just to be clear, here you can create as many rows as you want. Just give it a name and add the keys that you want to be on it. And that's it. The developer also added a neat feature that allows us to send text using the card. But for this, we need a new integration. So for now, just click Save. Now, before we continue, this integration requires the ADB interface activated on your Android TV. The process to activate it is different for every device. So I recommend for you to Google it specifically, activate it first, and then continue with the tutorial. I will leave the link to the documentation in the description if you need more information. You will also need to find the IP address of your device. After you get those, just go to my website, and here just look for Android Debug Bridge Integration, click on Add Integration, then click on Open Link, and here click OK. Here just enter the IP of the device, and then click Submit. Now you just need to accept the message, just check this and click on Accept. And that's it. Now just click Finish and go back to your dashboard. Here click Edit. Now just go to my website and look for Send Text Example. Here just copy the code and paste it at the end. And here you need to put the correct media player. And then click on Save. Now to test this, just go back to your Home Assistant application in your phone. First, open an app. Then use the keyboard key, and here just write the text that you want to say to your Android TV. Then touch OK. If you want to erase the text, you can use the delete key. And that's it. With this, we have achieved the ultimate integration of Android TV in Home Assistant. Remember that everything has been possible thanks to the effort of the developers. So remember to visit their GitHub page and give them a star. The links will be in the description. And now I want to know from you, how would you use it? Leave me a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!